On July 20th, 1969, the world watched in awe as Neil Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. This monumental achievement marked the culmination of the Apollo program, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of exploration. The Apollo missions were more than just a race to the moon. They ignited a passion for space exploration that continues to inspire generations. The Saturn V rocket, a marvel of engineering, propelled the Apollo astronauts towards their lunar destination. This colossal machine, standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, generated an astounding 7.5 million pounds of thrust. The Apollo missions pushed the boundaries of technology, demanding innovation in materials science, computing, and communication systems. The images of Earth captured from lunar orbit provided a profound perspective shift. For the first time, humanity saw our planet as a fragile oasis in the vastness of space. This newfound awareness fostered a sense of global unity and underscored the importance of preserving our home planet. The Apollo program's success ushered in a new era of space exploration. Nations around the world invested heavily in space programs, eager to make their mark on the cosmos. Satellites became indispensable tools for communication, navigation, and Earth observation. The Soviet Union, the United States' rival in the space race, achieved a significant milestone with the launch of Salyut One, the first space station, in 1971. This marked the beginning of long-duration human presence in space, paving the way for future international collaborations. The development of the Space Shuttle in the 1970s revolutionized space travel. As a partially reusable spacecraft, the shuttle significantly reduced the cost of transporting payloads and astronauts to low Earth orbit. It enabled the deployment and maintenance of the Hubble Space Telescope, an instrument that has transformed our understanding of the universe. The Space Shuttle program, while groundbreaking, faced its share of challenges. The tragic losses of Challenger in 1986 and Columbia in 2003 served as stark reminders of the inherent risks associated with spaceflight. These events prompted NASA to reevaluate its safety protocols and explore alternative approaches to space exploration. Despite these setbacks, the shuttle era witnessed remarkable progress in international collaboration. The International Space Station, a testament to the collective efforts of multiple nations, became a symbol of unity and scientific cooperation. The ISS has served as a unique microgravity laboratory, enabling research in fields such as biology, materials science, and human physiology. The shuttle era also saw the rise of commercial spaceflight. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin emerged, driven by a vision of making space more accessible and affordable. Their innovative approaches to rocket design and reusability have disrupted the traditional landscape of space exploration. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, has been at the forefront of the reusable rocket revolution. Their Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets have demonstrated the feasibility of landing and reusing rocket stages, significantly reducing launch costs. This breakthrough has the potential to democratize access to space, making it possible for more countries, companies, and individuals to participate in space exploration. Reusable rockets have also unlocked new possibilities for scientific exploration. The ability to launch heavier payloads more frequently has enabled ambitious missions to Mars, Jupiter, and beyond. The Perseverance rover, currently exploring the Martian surface, is a prime example of the scientific advancements made possible by reusable rocket technology. The development of Starship, SpaceX's next-generation spacecraft, promises to further revolutionize space travel. Designed to be fully reusable and capable of carrying up to 100 people, Starship has the potential to make interplanetary travel a reality. Section 5. Beyond Earth's Orbit. The Lure of Mars. Mars, with its potential for harboring past or present life, has long captivated the human imagination. The recent discovery of liquid water beneath the Martian surface has intensified the excitement surrounding the possibility of establishing a human presence on the red planet. The challenges of sending humans to Mars are immense. The long duration of the journey, the harsh Martian environment, and the need for self-sufficiency pose significant technological and logistical hurdles. However, the allure of exploring another world and the potential for scientific discovery continue to drive innovation and international collaboration. The establishment of a permanent human settlement on Mars would represent a pivotal moment in human history. It would mark the beginning of our species' transformation into a multi-planetary civilization. Section 6. The democratization of space. A new era of exploration. The emergence of private space companies and the increasing affordability of space travel are ushering in a new era of space exploration. No longer the exclusive domain of government agencies, space is now accessible to a wider range of players, including universities, startups, and even individuals. This democratization of space has the potential to accelerate innovation and drive down costs. The competition among private companies is leading to the development of new technologies and business models that are transforming the way we think about space exploration. Space tourism, once considered science fiction, is now a reality, with companies offering suborbital and orbital flights to adventurous civilians. As space becomes more accessible, we can expect to see a surge in scientific research, technological advancements, and commercial ventures. The possibilities are limitless. Section 7. The Final Frontier. Unlocking the Mysteries of the Universe. Space exploration is not just about pushing the boundaries of technology, it's about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. From the search for extraterrestrial life to the study of distant galaxies, space exploration has the power to answer some of humanity's most profound questions. The James Webb Space Telescope, the successor to the Hubble telescope, is poised to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. With its advanced instruments, the James Webb Telescope will be able to peer back in time to the early universe, observe the formation of stars and galaxies, and analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets for signs of life. Every new discovery made in space brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. Section 8. A Future Among the Stars. The future of space exploration is filled with promise and possibility. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology and collaborate across borders, we have the opportunity to achieve feats once thought impossible. From establishing a permanent human presence on Mars to unlocking the secrets of the universe, the journey ahead is filled with excitement and wonder. The spirit of exploration that propelled the Apollo astronauts to the moon continues to burn bright today. Inspired by the achievements of the past, we stand on the verge of a new era of space exploration, one that promises to be even more transformative and awe-inspiring than ever before. Let us embrace the challenges and seize the opportunities that lie ahead, for the future of humanity may very well lie among the stars.